Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous World. Hope you all are doing good. So in this video, I will give you an introduction to TryHackMe. I will tell you what is this platform about and how you can practice the stuffs there. So without wasting time, let's get into the topic. So this is the main page of TryHackMe, which you will find when you go there for the first time. The website is simply tryhackme.com. If you are new, then you need to click on join now, and then you can enter here your username, email, password, and you can just log in into the TryHackMe. So I already have login. I already have an account in TryHackMe. So after getting logged in, you will see an interface like this. So the first thing is the dashboard. Here is the option of recently enrolled. This will list the machines in which you have recently enrolled. So my last four machines are this, so it's showing here. Then here it states the total number of users on TryHackMe, and this will be your current rank. So TryHackMe is both paid and free to use. There are some machines which are paid. You can buy it by clicking here on Go Premium. Uh, when you purchase the premium of the TryHackMe, you will also get access to their learning modules. You will get guidance and video lectures. So here it states the total number of questions you answered in a week. Here is the option of new rooms. Whenever a new room comes, it lists it's here. This is the level option. What is your level? So my current rank is 10, so next rank is 11. Here you can see your level, and then here you can add your friends. You can hack and practice with your friends. Just click on invite, then search and enter the username of your friend, and you can send them a friend request and see how they are doing and which boxes they are doing, and you can also work accordingly. You can send me to request. I will accept it. I'll show you my username later in the video. So the next option is learn. So just click on learn. So the first option is overview. So here are the modules which are available in the TryHackMe. Linux fundamentals, network fundamentals, web hacking, Windows, cryptography, whichever you want to choose, you can go and there it lists the boxes which you can complete. The one with free is free, you can use it freely, no need to pay for it. And then there is the VIP ones for which you need to buy the membership. So moving forward, there are learning paths. So currently there are 5 learning paths: cyber defense, complete beginner, offensive pentest, the fundamental, and CompTIA pentest plus. So it has a number of rooms and hours which give you some guidance and lectures. They basically teach you in this modules. For this you need to buy the membership. You can click and see what all things are present inside the learning module. So you can it will give you certificate of completion when you complete the any learning module path, any learning path. Simply click on enroll in path. So you here you can find what all things it will teach you in a particular learning path. Here it is the learning path of the CompTIA Pentest Plus. Again, so there are some other modules too. This one is coming soon. So here you can find the option for the all rooms. Just click on that. You can click on web, Windows, forensics. For the it will list the particular type of box relating to Windows, forensics, reversing, whatever you want to do. Then there is a very good option of filtering. In the option of show, just click on free only. It will list only free boxes. Then from here you can choose types. Either you want to do challenges or walkthroughs, then most users or newest, and you can here select your difficulty level: easy, medium or hard. and there is an option of hide completed. When you click on it, it will not show the boxes which you have completed. I have completed this box, so there is a tick mark. If I do this, all the completed box will be vanished from here, and it will show only which are unsolved. So there are many free boxes to practice. Then there is a series. You can click on a series and see number of boxes there. Also, it is for medium, starters, investigating Windows. It will come contain boxes related to Windows. So the next option is compete. In compete, there are two options: leaderboards and king of the hill. So first we will go to leaderboards. So leaderboard basically tells you the rank, all-time rank and monthly rank in all of the countries, or you can search even for your particular countries. So it lists the top 50 users. So by selecting here, you can select your country. So mine is India. So it will give your rank in India, and if you go in monthly, it will give you a monthly rank. So then there is a King of Hill. King of Hill is a game where you can either play it privately for the practice, or you can play it publicly. So there is option of create private game and join a public game. If you are a beginner, then this is not for you, of course. You can play it later. You can read about it here. Then in other, you can here are dogs, buy vouchers. In buy vouchers, there is option for buying the membership of the Try Hack Me. So one subscription for 1 month costs $10. Then here you can message your friends, just type their username. So this 65, this shows the streak. Suppose you continuously use TryHack Me, continuously solve machines on TryHack Me for 7 days, it will show 7 streak, 65. So my streak is 65. It keeps you motivated. Streak keeps you motivated. So here's the notification. Whenever you increase your rank or get some message, you can see it here. Then there is an option for Go Premium. So $10 is the charge for the per month, and if you buy for 1 year, you need to pay $7.50 per month. It will give you access to pathways, attack box, faster machines, and premium content. You can see here what is difference between free machines, free and the premium version of Try Hack Me. It will give you 5 learning paths. Here you can see your profile. So this is the profile. The public profile tab shows you how other users can see your profile. So this is my username. You can send me friend request if you want. So here it shows how many rooms you have completed. It lists all the rooms which you have completed, and this will tell how many rooms you are in, and it will there are option for badges. So I have earned this many badges. If you click on this profile tab, you can see option of badges. So there are total of 30 badges as of now on Try Hack Me, which you get on solving machines. So for some kinds of machine, badge is required. So if you solve a machine named Metasploitable, you will get this badge. Similarly, if you complete Linux fundamental room, you will get this badge. So there are many options. So there is a badge for 7-day streak, 30-day streak, 90, 180, 365. So people stay motivated that I need to get this badge, so I need to solve every day. Then now the part comes how you access the rooms. So simply go to learn all rooms, then do free. As you are beginner, then select easy one. First I will suggest you to complete these two, the tutorial starting out in cybersec, and one more which is known as OpenVPN. If you want to use if you want to solve the rooms in your Kali machine, then you have to use this OpenVPN, or otherwise you can use the attack box provided by the Try Hack Me. So suppose anyone I choose suppose starting out in cybersec. So as you can see, here is the option of start attack box. So if you click here, it will start attack box. If you are non-subscribed, then you can use attack box only once for 1 hour in a day. So I already have used it. Let me select another room. Very easy. Okay. Suppose I choose any machine. Suppose I choose Valnar City. So this is the option of start machine. You have to click here start machine, then it will start your machine and it will give you IP address from which you have to access this particular Valvar City machine. And you have to start the attack box. If you don't want to use it in your VM or virtual box, you can use it here for 1 hour in a day, or you can use VPN to use it in your Kali machine. So I will terminate it. I don't need it now. And one more thing is here, you can subscribe it for just $10 and there is 20% discount if you are a student. So TryHackMe is a very good website for the TryHackMe is a very good platform if you are a beginner and want to learn about cybersecurity. You can learn as well as simultaneously you can practice over TryHackMe. So that was all for this video. Then keep learning and keep up.